Hello, my name is Gabrielle Strich, and I emphasize elder and disability law in my practice. Today, we're going to talk about why and how you get guardianship for your disabled child. Before your child reaches 18, maybe even 6 months to a year before, you should have a consultation with an attorney that emphasizes this in their practice. You don't want to find out the hard way that your child has gone to the hospital and because they're over 18, you cannot get medical information and you cannot assist in decision making. I can't imagine a more horrifying situation than that. So don't be surprised, be prepared and consult with an elder disability lawyer like myself in New Jersey. And you will learn that approximately 3 months before your child turns 18, you will need to apply for guardianship. And people ask me, well, why can't I just do a simple power of attorney? Well, the answer is that to have a power of attorney, to sign one, you must be competent as defined by the law. And most disabled children do not meet that qualification. If your child is merely physically disabled, they very well might meet that and be able to do something simple like a power of attorney. But assuming there is a mental aspect to your child's disability, you need to prepare to do guardianship. And I'm sorry to tell you, but it's several $1,000s to get this done because it's a lot of work. The first thing you have to do is you have to get 2 certifications from physicians, or possibly one physician and one PhD psychologist, that say that your child is not able to manage your own affairs. And then you submit that with a complaint or petition for guardianship. The court will appoint an attorney or a guardian ad litem for your child, and that's to investigate and report back to the court that you're not pulling a scam here, or that there's anything wrong with what you're proposing to be a guardian for your child. And when the court receives that report, there will be a hearing, and the court will most likely, 99.9% of the time in these kinds of cases, award you guardianship for your child. You will then take that order to the surrogate, and you will get a form that designates you as the guardian that you can use whenever it might be needed. So don't be caught flat-footed. Prepare. And you will also need to address the issue of a special needs trust, which will be the subject of another video. My contact information is below. I would be delighted to help you with this situation.